You won't believe this. Let me ask you real quick. If you had $100 today, about 150,000 naira in Nigerian money, would you believe me if I told you that you could start investing in US real estate right from Nigeria without owning a land, without flying abroad, and without being a millionaire? Sounds impossible, right? But guess what? It's not. In fact, with the rise of digital real estate platforms, fractional property investing, and REITs, it has never been easier for Nigerians, Africans, or anyone worldwide to start building dollar-dominated passive income. And trust me, the earlier you get in, the more you stand to benefit. Why? Because real estate is one of the most proven wealth builders in history. As they say, don't wait to buy real estate and wait. In this video, I'm going to break down step by step why you should consider US real estate now. How to start with as little as $100, the platforms you can use right here in Nigeria, the risk and how to avoid scams, and most importantly, how you can scale small investments into generational wealth. So grab your notebook and let's dive in. Hello, Wet Farm, and welcome back to Wealth with Doris, where every penny counts. On this channel, we build wealth together and turn our pocket change into power moves. If you're ready to grow your money in a smart way that will bring you closer to financial freedom, this channel is the right place for you. If you're a first-time viewer, please click the subscribe button, like and share. Thank you. I want to put up a disclaimer here. I'm not a financial advisor. These videos are for educational purposes only. No official financial advice is being given. Please always check with a professional before making any investment or financial decisions. Your investments are your sole responsibilities. These videos merely shares my own opinions with no guarantee of gain or losses. Okay, let's start with the big question. Why the US real estate? Number one, dollar income protection. If you live in Nigeria, you know the naira is not exactly our best friend right now. Every month, exchange rates climbs up and it eats away at our savings. By saving in US real estate, even if it's small, you're protecting your money in dollars. Our number two is stability. Unlike crypto, which can crash overnight, or stocks that rise and fall like a roller coaster, US real estate has been one of the most stable wealth builders for decades. It's literally how most millionaires around the world build their fortunes. The number three is access to global opportunities. Before now, investing in US property was a big dream. You would need paperwork, you would need a lawyer, and probably a US visa. But now, with fractional investing and crowdfunding, you can literally buy a slice of property abroad while chilling in your living room in Lagos, Abuja, or Enugu. And let me add this, the US rental market is hot. From Airbnb rentals to family homes, there are consistent demand. You know, you are not just investing for appreciation, you are also opening doors to steady passive income. So, in short, investing in US real estate gives you dollar income, global access, and a safer, more predictable way to grow your money compared to just saving in naira. This is the part that surprises most people. When I tell friends, they ask, Doris, how on earth can $100 buy you real estate? Let me break it down traditionally. You would need maybe $50,000 or $100,000 to buy property in the US. But technology has changed everything. With REITs, real estate investment trusts, REITs, crowdfunding apps, and fractional investing platforms pool money from thousands or small investors. Imagine this, a property worth $1 million in New York. Instead of one person buying the whole property, 10,000 people can contribute and buy it. That means each person can own a share worth about $100 or $500. And the beauty, you get dividends when the property generates rental income, plus capital gains when the value goes up. I will share some specific apps and platforms in the next segment. But for now, I want you to take this away. So the good news is real estate investing is no longer just for the rich. It is for anyone willing to start small and stay consistent. So as a motivational speaker Chris Hogan said, you don't have to be great to start. You have to start to be great. Yes, you can start with $100 thanks to fractional ownership. Small beginnings can lead to big wealth, right? Alright, let's get practical. What platforms can you use from Nigeria? Now, our first platform is Fundrise, one of the most popular US real estate crowdfunding platforms called Fundrise. You can use it from Nigeria. You can also start with as little as $10. They invest in apartments, commercial spaces, and homes across America. The second app you can use is RealtyMogul, a great platform for fractional real estate ownership. You can choose from different properties and they even have REIT options. Our third one is REITs via stock apps. So if you already have apps like the Bamboo, Chaka here in Nigeria, you can buy US listed REITs like the Vanguard Real Estate ETF VNQ. Okay. Now, this is like buying a basket of real estate investment with just a small amount. How good is that? Now, Airbnb investment platforms. Some new apps let you invest in short-term rentals. That's Airbnb style. Think about it. You own a share of a small vacation property in Miami or LA and you earn a slice of the rental income. Here is the thing. Always start with platforms that are beginner friendly and allow small entry amounts. Okay, so now Fundrise and REIT ETFs are usually the best for first timers. So to start, look into Fundrise, RealtyMogul, REITs via Bamboo or Chaka, or Airbnb focused platforms. They let you invest in small money safely and legally. Right? Okay, well, builders, now let's get into the juicy practical part. How exactly do you start investing in US real estate from Nigeria with small money? If you're still here, give me a thumbs up and comment REITs. Here is your step-by-step roadmap. Step 1, choose your platform. I chose the Bamboo. Okay, decide whether you want a REIT, a crowdfunding app, or a fractional platform like Fundrise. Okay, so you're completely new. I recommend starting with a REIT through apps like Bamboo, Chaka, or Trove. Simple, regulated, and beginner friendly. Step 2 is create an account to go to the platform's website or apps. Sign up with your details, email, name, country of residence. Most of them accept Nigerians, especially through those using REITs. Right? Step 3, verify your identity, KYC. This is where Nigerians get stuck. You will need a valid NIN, international passport, driver's license. Some platforms also ask for a proof of address like your utility bill. And step 4 is fund your account. This is the big one. How do you actually send money from Nigeria to those apps? So if you're using REITs on Bamboo, Chaka, you can fund in Naira and it automatically converts to dollar. But for international platforms like Fundrise, you may need a dollar card like the Bata, Payday, or your bank domiciliary card, right? Some people also use wise.com to move funds. The step 5, start small and buy shares. Don't overthink it, even if it's just $50 or $100. buy into a REIT or fractional share. Remember, the key is starting, not waiting for the perfect amount. Step 5 is track your earnings. Log into your dashboard every month or quarter to see dividends or rental income. Reinvest your earnings. That's how small money compounds into large wealth, right? Remember this quote: do not despise small beginnings, for the Lord rejoices to see the work begin. Even your $100 is a seed. Nurture it and it can grow into a forest. In a nutshell, choose a platform, sign up, verify, fund your account, invest and reinvest. That's the roadmap, right? Now, before you run off and throw your money into every platform you see, let's talk about the risk, because where there is money, there are always scams. Here are the top risks and how to protect yourself. Scam platforms. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stick to the well-known platforms like Fundrise, RealtyMogul, or REITs listed on US exchanges, or the Bamboo app, right? Now, currency fluctuation. Remember, you're funding in naira but investing in dollars. Always factor in exchange rates and fees when sending money. Market risk. Yes, real estate is stable, but values can still dip temporarily. That's why you shouldn't invest money you need tomorrow. Think long time. Liquidity. Unlike stocks, you can't always cash out instantly. Be patient. Real estate is a marathon, not a sprint, right? Over promises. Beware of anyone promising you double your money in 3 months. For real estate, genuine platforms grow steadily, not magically. Okay? Always research before investing. Google the company, check the reviews, see if they are regulated. The risks are real, but with wisdom, you can avoid scams and invest safely. As Warren Buffett says, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. That's why you're watching this video, so you know exactly what you're doing. Let me give you some real examples. Okay, called Chinedu that moved to the US. But even before he bought his first home physically, he started with Fundrise, investing just $500 while still in Nigeria. Today, he earns small but steady dividends in dollars, which he reinvests. For the stay-at-home investors, a lady in Abuja put just $100 into REIT via Bamboo. She said, "Doris, I just wanted to test it." 2 years later, she had grown it into almost $500 just by reinvesting her dividends. That money she would have just probably spent on data or ashebi. So in 2003, Nigerians abroad started pooling money through fractional Airbnb platforms. A group of 4 friends invested in a vacation property in Miami. They earn seasonal incomes, which they share. Small steps, but it shows the power of collaboration investing. Now, from desperate Nigerians to stay-at-home moms to young tech bros, people are using small money to enter the US real estate. Why not you? Now, let's talk about the big vision. Because $100 is just the beginning. How do you turn this into a serious wealth? Consistency. Invest $100 every month for 5 years. That's $6,000 invested, which with compounding interest, it could grow to over $10,000. Reinvesting dividends. Never withdraw early. Let your money multiply. Albert Einstein called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. Diversify platforms. Start with REITs, then add fractional properties, maybe Airbnb shares, and eventually buy physical properties if you can. Think generationally. Okay, this isn't just about you. It's about leaving something for your kids. As they say, a wise man leaves an inheritance for his children, right? That I've just quoted the Bible now. So financial freedom doesn't come overnight. but small consistent steps leads to unstoppable growth. Imagine looking back in 10 years and say, I started with just $100. That's the power of vision. Scaling comes from consistency, reinvesting, diversifying, and thinking long time. All right, world builders, let's wrap it up. Today, we learned you can invest in US real estate from Nigeria even with just $100. Platforms like Fundrise, RealtyMogul, Airbnb focus apps make it possible. Okay, so the process is simple. Sign up, verify, fund, and start small. Yes, there are risks, but with research and wisdom, you can avoid scams. And most importantly, you can grow your $100 into a long-term wealth through consistency and compounding. All right, so I have a link of Bamboo app on my description. You can just click it to start with Bamboo. So here is my final encouragement. Don't let the fear of starting small rob you of the joy of growing big. Your financial freedom is waiting on the other side of action. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to Doris, and share with friends who is being complaining about naira depreciation. Let's grow well together. And tell me in the comment section, would you try investing $100 in real estate? I want to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep building wealth, keep dreaming big. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time to start is now. Ciao!